You can use the Create Course button to create a single new course. The required fields include your course full name and short name, as well as the category to which the course should be added. You can then always return to the course settings at a later stage to finish your course setup. The course full name will be displayed to learners on your LMS, while the course short name is typically a single or abbreviated word used for the system to identify the course. You can add your new course to an existing category available from the drop-down list. The course visibility setting determines whether or not the course should be shown to learners. You can keep your course hidden from learners during setup and only show it once everything is ready. By default, learners will be able to download all downloadable course content. You can, however, disable this to prevent learners from downloading course content. You can also set a course start and end date. Learners will be able to access the course before the start date, but course logs will only begin to be stored from the date you set here. Similarly, learners will still be able to access the course after the end date, but the course will no longer show in their list of current courses. In the description section, you can provide a course summary to give learners an overview of your course. This will be displayed on their personal dashboard. You can also upload a course image which will be displayed on the course card. To do this, you can simply drag and drop your image into the upload area. In the appearance section, you can determine the course language. You can either force a specific course language or allow learners to view the course in their preferred language. In the groups section, you can set the group mode for the course. This will be relevant if you create course groups within your course. Visible groups will enable course groups within your course activities and reports, but users will be able to see other groups. In separate groups mode, however, users will only be able to see the members of their specific group. If group mode is forced, then the mode selected will be applied to all activities and reports within the course. Finally, you can apply tags to your course to allow learners to search and connect different types of content on your site. Then, when you click on Save and Display, your new course will be available on your LMS for you to start creating and editing content.